Right. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I am going to teach you the sixth unit, a portion of the sixth unit of your grade 7. So in grade 7, we have a unit called animal diversity, unit number 6. So unit 6, animal diversity. So under this unit, we studied about vertebrates and invertebrates. So we divided animals into two main categories as vertebrates and invertebrates depending on the animal has backbone or not. So animals with backbone are called vertebrates and animals without backbones are called invertebrates. So after that we studied about the adaptations of organisms. So under the adaptations we studied camouflage and about the streamlined body shape. Okay, now for making this video, I already explained everything in the class, but there is a reason for making this video. Let me tell that. So when I went to one of my relatives' home on eBay, I found this pot. So once I saw the pot, the word taper came to my mind. So I already told you. So during the explanation of the body shape or the streamline body shape, I told you there is a tapering point. So this is the streamline body shape. So there are two tapering ends. So taper means I told you to become gradually narrower. So for making this video, there is a reason I told you. So the objective of making this video is to show this pot. Okay, actually from their home I stole this pot for making you the video. Okay, right. Now let me explain you because this video might give you a summary of what you have learned in your class. Okay, let's understand what adaptation is first. So adaptation means what I already told you. Adaptation means the process of changing something, especially our behavior, in order to suit a new situation. For example, if you go to a new place, we have to change ourselves, our behavior according to that environment. So that is called adaptation. Okay. Then under adaptation, we studied about camouflage. What do you mean by camouflage? So when you see the word, when you hear the word camouflage, you should remember the camouflage jacket. So what is camouflage jacket? So camouflage jacket is covered with what? Green color or brown color marks and worn by soldiers. So when soldiers go to war, before they attack the enemies, they will hide themselves by wearing the camouflage jacket because it blends with the environment. So camouflage means camouflage jacket. So camouflage means simply hiding. So camouflage for protection. Camouflage means what? Body color or the shape of the body blends or mix or resembles the surrounding. Okay. So camouflage is useful for protection. Okay. After that we studied how shape helps the existence of animals. So this shape is for locomotion. To overcome the challenges in locomotion, the body shape is very helpful for organisms for their survival. Okay. So under that we studied about streamlined body shape. So especially this is the streamlined body shape. It's an oval shape with two tapering ends. So now tapering ends. Let's see what I mean by taper. So taper means to become gradually narrower. For example, pods are wide at the base and tapered at the point. Okay, this is what I wanted to tell you in the video. So if you see this pod, so here this is the pod. So this pod is wide at the base. So this is the base of the pod. So it is wide. The base is wide and tapered at the top. So this is the top part of the pod. So the top part of the pod has tapered. So it means what? It has become narrower. So from wide to become narrower. Okay. Now streamlined body shape. So streamlined body shape is useful for fish and bird. So what is the mode of locomotion for fish? Swimming. So the medium of fish the medium of fish where they live is water. So in order to overcome the challenge in the locomotion in the medium, they use streamlined body shape. So water is an obstacle. So in order to travel through, what do you mean by medium? Medium is a material that something travels through. For example, if you take fish, fish travels through water. So in order to travel through water, the end should be sharp. Then only they can tear the water or penetrate through the water. So in order to overcome the challenge in their locomotion, they use streamlined body. Then bird. Birds fly. So we know fish swim and birds fly. So where do birds fly? Birds fly in air. Again, air is a medium. Air is a medium. So in order to tear or in order to penetrate through air, the streamlined body is very useful for birds. Okay. Now in this video I told you, because I explained you everything in the class, this might be a summary or this might be a quick review of what we have studied in our class. Again, as I mentioned in the beginning, the purpose of making this video to show this part. So if you see this taper, this is a vocabulary that you can learn from your textbook. I noticed that most of the students, nobody in the class didn't know the word taper. So I explained it. Taper means to become gradually narrower. Pods are wide at the base and tapered at the point, at the top. So for example, if you take this pot, okay, I think you can see this clearly. Let me check. Yes. So pots, this pot is wide at the base. So this is the base of the pot. This is wide, you can see, and tapered at the top. So this is the top part of the pot, and this top part has become tapered. That means the radius, the diameter of the pot has become narrower. Okay, right. So with that, I'm going to finish this video. Okay, thank you.